Looking for the best toaster ovens to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Ninja SP101 Foodi Digital Oven. If you're tired of a crowded kitchen and appliances that don't do much, meet your new kitchen hero, the Ninja Foodi Digital Oven. This compact and stylish oven is the ultimate multitasker that combines smart cooking features with a sleek design. It uses digital crisp control technology to perfectly balance temperature, heat, and airflow so your food cooks evenly every time. It's like having your own personal chef that never takes a break. With 8-in-1 functions, you're not just baking, you're also air frying, roasting, broiling, dehydrating, and more. Want crispy kale chips or guilt-free fries? The air fry function cuts up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. And it's fast, up to 60% quicker than a regular oven, so you can cook a full meal in just 20 minutes. Plus, it gives you 45% more usable pan space than many other brands. Looking at you, Quezinart. It can fit a 13-inch pizza, 9 slices of toast, or enough chicken for the whole family. When you're done, just flip it up and store it vertically against your backsplash. It saves space and keeps your kitchen tidy, a smart solution for small kitchens. Number 2. Brevel Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. If you're tired of your kitchen appliances looking like they belong in a museum, say hello to the Brevel Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This isn't just another countertop appliance. It's your culinary sidekick, packing more cooking functions than a Swiss Army knife. Get ready to roast, air fry, dehydrate, and toss aside those sad takeout menus. With its Element IQ system, this oven knows how to steer power just right, giving you temple-like precision in cooking. No cold spots allowed. You can nail it 350 degrees Celsius like a pro with temperature accuracy that'll make your other gadgets green with envy. Need a pizza night miracle? This beauty fits a 13 inches pizza and browns it to cheesy perfection while tater tots get crisped up like they've just come off a 5-star kitchen line. And whether you're toasting 9 slices or just a single piece, the texture will have you swooning. With 13 cooking functions, this oven is more versatile than your chatty friend at a dinner party. So, if you've been waiting for that perfect kitchen wizard, the Brevel is here to elevate your cooking game and ensure every meal is a hit. Toss out that old appliance and welcome this stylish stainless steel wonder into your life. Your taste buds will thank you. Before we reveal Number 3. Quezinart to 70 Air Fryer Oven and Grill. If you're on a quest for culinary greatness, meet your new kitchen sidekick, the Quezinart TOA 70 Air Fryer Oven and Grill. This isn't just any toaster oven. It's a crispy revolution waiting to happen with a robust 1,800 watts of power. It combines the magic of air frying with an impressive menu of cooking options, including toast, convection bake, broil, and even warming up your leftovers. Because let's be honest, cold pizza should be a crime. Worried about space? Fear not. This compact wonder packs a punch with enough capacity to toast a whopping 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 lbs of mouth-watering chicken wings, or effortlessly bake a 12 inches pizza. You could even roast a 4 lb chicken worthy of a royal feast. Say goodbye to the days of overcooked or underwhelming meals. With an adjustable temperature dial, a 60-minute timer featuring auto shut-off and a toast shade selector, you're guaranteed an experience tailored to your taste buds. Plus, the oven light ensures you'll never have to squint while checking on your masterpiece. Cleaning a breeze. With a non-stick, easy clean interior and handy accessories like an oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, and grill, you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying those golden crispy bites. The Quezinart TOA 70 is more than an appliance. It's your ticket to culinary stardom. Ready to elevate your kitchen game? Number 4. Ninja Flip SP151. Our pick for best small toaster oven. If your kitchen countertop is feeling more crowded than a subway during rush hour, the Ninja Flip SP151 is here to rescue you. This sleek stainless steel toaster oven doesn't just sit there. It cleverly flips up and out of the way, reclaiming a whopping 50% of your precious counter space. Talk about multitasking. But don't let its compact size fool you. This bad boy boasts a mind-blowing 8-in-1 functionality. Craving crispy fries without the guilt? Air fry your favorites with up to 75% less fat than traditional methods. Need to whip up a family-sized pizza? No problem. It easily accommodates a 12 inches pie or even a buffet of toasty bread up to 6 slices at once. With Ninja's Oven Crisp technology, you'll enjoy edge-to-edge even cooking that'll have your taste buds cheering. And from golden brown roasts to perfectly baked goodies, this little powerhouse can do it all in about 20 minutes. Plus, it's energy efficient, using 80% less energy than a full-size oven, which means you can indulge in those extra crispy fries without the guilt or the high electricity bill. So, why not let the Ninja Flip SP151 do the heavy lifting in your kitchen while you sit back and enjoy the delicious results? Your countertop and your family will thank you. Still searching for the perfect toaster oven? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 5. Black & Decker Natural Convection. If you're fed up with toaster ovens that promise gourmet results and serve you charred bread instead, allow me to introduce your new kitchen sidekick, the Black & Decker Toaster Oven. This isn't just another appliance. It's the hero your countertop has been waiting for. No cape required. Let's get real. You want a toaster oven that delivers, and this one does it with style. Equipped with a straightforward analog control panel, it features 4 settings: toast, bake, broil, and warm. Like the dependable friend who always shows up on time. That broiler is a heat-holding wizard, keeping temps within 5 degrees of the maximum. If only it could hold on to your patience while you wait for those delectable dinners. You'll be flipping out at how it effortlessly handles 4 slices of toast and a crispy 9 inches pizza. All while maintaining a compact, space-saving design that fits comfortably into even the coziest of kitchens. Late-night snack cravings, friends dropping by for brunch, the Tour Oven has got you covered. With a temperature range that cranks up to a scorching 450 degrees Fahrenheit, consider it your culinary sidekick for everything from cozy dinners to quick bites. Bid farewell to kitchen chaos and welcome the simplicity and efficiency of the Black & Decker Toast Oven. Your taste buds will thank you, and so will your inner chef. Happy toasting!